Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to take you on a tour of my PC, and let you know what we've got. So, in this we've actually got a Windows 11 Pro. It's on a 64-bit. There's a 16GB of RAM. There's 1 TB a hard drive. There's also a 250GB Santan SSD. There's an Intel i7-2600 processor. There is an AMD Radeon 6500 XT graphics card. There's also 6 LED fans and an XL GPU fan as well. There's both speakers for the sound. There's also a GXT keyboard and mouse, so they go together. And there's 2 Acer K222 HQL 60Hz.
They're monitors.
They're monitors, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Shall we show your graphics card?
We
shall
shall
that's
indeed.
A brand new one.
We shall indeed.
Obviously, the other video that we did on your graphics card should be live by the time this video goes out.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's live by now. Yeah.
So people will already see your graphics card, but
yeah,
we'll show it again.
Yeah, we took a picture of that. So
do you want to point your graphics card out?
Yep. So the graphics card is this one here, which is it says Mech on the side. That's the graphics card. The new fans I've not long just replaced, which is the 2 at the top, the 1 at the back. They are actually quite fast, to be quite honest. Yeah.
Your hard drives hidden down here.
Yeah, that's hidden in the bottom. I've also not long just replaced the battery. It's got RGB lights in it. You can actually change them. We've got a GXT keyboard and mouse, which is obviously here and here. We've also got 4 Bose speakers, which are here. There's one underneath on that side of the table, and there's one underneath here, which is also hooked up to a subwoofer, which is quite loud. We've also got the 2 Acer K222 HQL 60Hz monitor screens, which are actually quite good. I would say they're quite good for gaming. And obviously the SSD, you won't be able to see that because it's hidden in the back.
It's on the back of the case.
It's hidden in the back, yeah. So unfortunately I would like to show you, but I haven't got enough time today to take the back off. So the memory is also here.
Your RAM.
Well, the RAM, sorry. There's actually 4 of them. If you can see here, there's 4.
These cards here.
Yeah, them cards there. There's 4. Yeah. So obviously, that's all there is there. And just to quickly mention as well, there's LED lights as well around the table, which you can control through a remote. So I'll just show you quickly. Turn the lights off, please. Thank you. So this one here comes to a little sensor. So you've got red, green, blue, and obviously I'll just quickly run it through. There's loads of other different sort of colours, which you can all get on the remote. So I just had to think then what it was. So yeah, there's different colours, and then obviously you can have them when it connects. Okay, that button didn't want to work. Neither did that one. I don't know what's going on. Oh, sorry, I do apologise. There you go. So that's auto, and then that's flash, a little bit faster. That's fade, so you're slowing down to a subtle fading. Then you've got jump 3, which jumps to the colours. You've got jump 7, so a little bit faster, and then it goes back to fade 3, which is a really, really slow one. So yeah, and then obviously back to that. So obviously there's loads of little little hashtag buttons, etc. that you can do on that. Nice little invention. Amazon, didn't cost me much, probably about a tenner for that. So yeah, everything's there that I need to know.
People might ask.
Yeah.
They've seen a few other bits of technology that are sitting around your computer.
Right.
Let's point them out and go through them real quick.
We shall, yes. So, the Alexa. she's a quite little nifty invention. You can put pictures on it. You can control your lights, central heating. If you've got a Samsung or a smart TV, she can turn it off and on. She can play music. She can set an alarms. She can also connect to cameras, various different cameras.
So you have a camera, don't you?
I do, yes.
Set up.
Yeah.
Which is
on the wall there.
Up there.
Yeah, it does.
And it will actually play the video feed from that camera.
It will, yes. It will, yes.
So you can view it live.
Yeah, you can actually view it live, and you can actually set it to different alarms. So if you need to go out as well, it will let you know if somebody's entered your property or your room or wherever you live. And as well, live wallpaper on the AAC screens, which is quite a favourite of mine because I'm into me fish keeping. So I thought, seeing as it's 4 what was it, sorry mate?
4K.
It was
videos.
4K, so I had to get that right. So it was 4K, which means obviously it sticks out, and it's a very, very good screen, which is quite nice. It spreads across, which is what I've been looking for a while, to actually mass it out across the screens. So yeah, happy day. So that's just a bit, yeah, crack on.
People have noticed this on top of your computer.
Yes. So
obviously, your computer doesn't have a disk drive.
It doesn't.
So
no,
what is
no.
This?
That is a card. It's a card reader, so you can.
It is a disc reader.
So you can actually play DVDs on it, or you can play CDs, so you listen to music. As well, if you wanted to copy a DVD and rewrite it to a different disc, it will be capable of doing that. Various links on the computer. So very good little piece of tech.
And obviously, you've got quite recently that's only just appeared on there today. Your vape is also plugged in.
Yes.
Just to charge.
Yes, vape. Vape's also plugged in through a USB. Very, very fast. You don't need a plug. Charges your vape about an hour or so.
You've also had your battery pack plugged into it, haven't you? And it's charged back.
Yeah, I have actually had my battery pack charging on it as well. So obviously it's well capable of doing things like that.
One little thing we missed, but I will mention it doesn't work currently because we're still having issues with it.
Exactly.
The webcam.
Yes, I've got an actual webcam. I'm having technical faults with it at the moment.
Trying to get that sorted.
Yeah, trying to get it sorted. It's not that it doesn't work, it does work. I've already had it pre-tested. It's just at the moment I'm trying to go through the software. It probably needs updating, but we'll get that sorted, don't worry about it.
And I know there's already a video going out about this.
There is, yes.
You've got new social medias.
Yes, I've got new social media. So I've got a new Twitter, which I'll be doing live streaming on that, which will be mainly gaming, etc. I've also got a live Twitch account as well, so that'll be good.
Streams.
Yeah, live streaming.
Or allotment live streams.
Or allotment live streaming as well, which you definitely need to tune into that. And as well, I've also got a new Discord server as well, which I will also be not only live streaming, but I'll be also uploading a lot of my games, etc. on there as well. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that.
So if you see Shane playing a game that you also play,
definitely
jump in the Discord,
exactly,
and you'll be able to talk to us and
yep,
maybe get involved.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay.
Always get involved.
Have we covered everything?
Yes, definitely. Yep. So please like and subscribe. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much.